Water is something most people never think twice about until uncertainty changes everything. For generations, people relied on systems they believed would always be there. But today, more families are beginning to ask important questions about sustainability, preparedness, and independence. What if there were smarter ways to think about the resources we use every single day? Across the world, innovators and everyday people are exploring practical solutions inspired by nature itself. Not unrealistic promises, not complicated technology, just creative ideas built around one simple truth: nature already provides more than we realize. The air around us contains moisture. The environment around us constantly moves through natural cycles. And human curiosity continues to discover new ways to work alongside those systems rather than against them. For many people, this journey is not driven by fear. It's driven by peace of mind, the desire to feel prepared, to feel capable, to feel confident about the future. Sometimes transformation doesn't happen through massive changes overnight. Sometimes it begins with learning something new, seeing the world differently, and taking one small step toward a more sustainable lifestyle. Because the future belongs to those who adapt, learn, and stay open to possibility. And maybe the next great idea isn't about creating something entirely new. Maybe it's about rediscovering the potential that has been surrounding us all along. The world is changing. Technology is evolving. And people everywhere are beginning to rethink what true independence and sustainability really mean. One idea, one decision, one step forward at a time.